How to tie a Trinity knot. First, place your tie around your neck with the thick end on the right and exactly where you want it to hang when the knot is completed. Cross the thin end over the front of the thick end and tuck it up under the loop around your neck. Pass the thin end behind the loop from right to left. Flip it back up and over and behind the knot, bringing it down and to the right. Bring this end back across the front of the knot and up behind the loop. Now take the thin end back down over the knot, taking it down through the horizontal loop created in step 5. You can keep a finger under this downward piece to make the following steps easier. Take the thin end back around the back of the knot from right to left. Now take it back up diagonally towards the right, fitting it back up through the vertical loop reserved in step 6. Tighten and adjust to get 3 even folds and hide the visible end behind the loop around the neck. Turn your collar down and make any final adjustments. That's how to tie the Trinity knot.